Hello, comic book guys and gals, and welcome to Comic Mag Musings. This handsome devil's your host, Bill Miller. All right, we have another quick hit unboxing for you. Here's the box. Don't know what's in it. Maybe graded, maybe raw, but it's probably just one book, two at the most. Box cutter. Made for right-handers. And we're not going to mess around. We're not going to waste any time. We're going to dig in, figure out what's in here. Seems like a raw book. All right, I will try to open this in a way that allows you rascals to see it before I get to see it. Oh, it's two. Okay, two raw books, I guess. All right. And here's the first one. Boom. Oh, boy. This is from Heritage. Okay, this is Weird Fantasy number 18. So very, very nice. EC Comics from 53, maybe? Yes, 53. They estimate this at a VG plus, which is 4.5. See, the numbers are what I go by, so I always got to translate them in my head. And here is the second one. Boom. All right. Another Weird Fantasy. Which one is this? Number 12 from 52. They estimate this at a fine minus. That's a 5.5, I believe. So very cool. Excited to have both of those. They will stay in the personal collection, and that will do it for the unboxing that we have for today. I hope you enjoyed seeing them, and if you did, I would encourage you to subscribe and hit that notification bell. That way you're alerted as soon as I release new videos. Thumbs up and comments are always appreciated. And remember, we're taking over the world one comic book at a time.